सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा स्टॉक मार्केट हाईलाइट 6 जनवरी 2026। स्टॉक मार्केट fall for second day as selling in Reliance Industry, SDFC Bank, then and statement. Sensex Nifty share price highlight. Benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty indeed lower for the second day in a row on Tuesday. Dragged by heavy sellings in blue chips, Reliance Industries, SDFC Bank, and worries over freeze warning from the US for future raised tariff against India. The 30 shares BSE Sensex dropped 376.28 points or 0.44% to settle at 85,063.34 during the day. It tanked and 539.52 points or 0.63% to 84,900.10. The 50 shares NSE Nifty declined 71.60 points or 0.27% to in at 26,178.70 from the 30 Sensex firms. Trend tumbled 8.62% after the Tata Group's retail firm's revenue growth in the December quarter failed to see investor. Reliance Industries cracked 4.42%, while ITC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Interglobe Aviation, and SDFC Bank were also among the laggards. However, ICICI Bank, Sun Pharma, Hindustan Unilever, and State Bank of India were among the gainers. Stock market today, share market highlight. Find here all the highlight related to Sensex, Nifty, BSE, NSE share price and Indian stock market for 6 January. Max Aluminium uptrends resumes. The Max Aluminium future contract can raise 323 to 325. Currency today, rupees raised 14 pace to close as 90.16 provisional against US dollar. Stock market today, Sensex settled 376.28 PTC or 0.44% lower at 85,063.34, and Nifty 59 index with 71.60 PTS or 0.27% loss at 26,178.70. Stock market today, India US trade deal key to market outlook say Gyojit Vinod Nair. One of the key factors for India to perform well going upward is finalizing a trade deal with the US. Over the past 3 to 3 months, the market has been keenly in anticipating the campaigning of tariff at 25% from the current 50% and the subsequent finalization of the full deal. However, Paris and negative rhetoric from the Trumps is expected to have a deterrent effect on India's stock market performance. On a positive note, till date, no significant negative impact is visible on export, thanks to the resilience of Indian product and the service. Nevertheless, if this situation persists, it will harm India's future export outlook, suggesting that the Trump's mainstream is not satisfied by the action taken by India. Stock market today, budget and expectation by Nikun Saraf, CEO, Choice World. As India prepare for the Union Budget 2026 to 27, the focus must be on balancing the growth with fiscal sustainability with the strong GDP momentum and the controlled inflation. The government has a unique opportunity to support capital expenditure, MSME growth, and new age sectors such as AI, digital infrastructure, and clean tech areas that will define competitiveness over the next decade. At the same time, tax simplification and the target relief for the middle class and the entrepreneur can drive consumption, broaden the tax base, and unlock long-term investment. A forward-looking budget that anchors structural reforms while ensuring inclusive growth will not only boost investor confidence but also celebrated in India's journey toward a developed economy by 2027. Stock market today, Asika Investment Manager launches Smart Alpha Fund. Asika Investment Manager Private Limited, the alternative assist manager, has received the note from CB from launch for the Smart Alpha Fund on open-ended category data strategy and investment fund designed to offer a structured data-driven approach to investing, which is now open for subscription. Stock market today. Motilal Oswal FM launches Motilal Oswal Drivers Fit Equity Flagship Passive Fund of Fund. Motilal Oswal Fund has announced the launch of it is the latest new fund of for Motilal Oswal Drivers Fit Equities Flagship Passive Fund of Fund. The scheme is open-ended fund of funds investing in passive fund designed to provide diverse fit exposure across large cap, mid cap, and small cap segment through a structured allocation framework. The Motilal Oswal Diversified Equity Fixed Cap, the passive FOS seek the address a common challenge faced by equity investors